me first and last no they say the metal banchi no metal banchi you come me farm. I'll go to a farm and go and buy the banchi jowulu na yanko di fufu when I say yo yanko di fufu e bu san for fufu ba kwa yeko say yeko di no ehun taxes fufu e bu san for fufu hun taxes no na nya easy fufu aden jo mama aden aha etimu ni say me ba na me the evidence aba fufu ba kwa yesi o ye kwa kodi wo jowulu no fufu hun taxes mo hwe in no screen no so no perfect touch a restaurant bia e wo jowulu honum enyensa fufu with tilapia 130 fufu with goat lice soup 120 total 203 NHIL 5% I 10 cedis VAT 32 cedis under Jomahama they increase VAT to 15% and yes sir VAT nkwano ukodi fufu nkwan VAT utua fufu nusunu 15% 30.35% 32.35% COVID levy that Jomahama swore heaven and earth that he was never ever going to take COVID levy. He was going to cancel COVID levy. He said ukodi fufu ye ji COVID levy e woso fufu a wudi no ye ji COVID levy na fufu de COVID fa ne ho ben fufu a ye di no which one concern COVID-19 ba ukodi fufu bia no utua COVID levy ayezu ayeza aban papa aba no enu ni o udi fufu a ye ti COVID levy 1%. Now, utua COVID levy na wie no afi ubetua tourism 1%. Tourism no abeku santana bebia oye juma no wono. Miye na ye betua fufu a obedi no e wo Ghana sese no. E se utua ebima abeku santana ni juma. Tourism levy fufu ba ku nso. Ye busanfo. Ghana ni o. Ghana eni o. Fufu ba ku nipa pese odi no. NHIL betua 5%, VAT 15%, COVID 1%, tourism 1%. Ade fufu bako. And by the time now we try when you know, now we lose the appetite. Yes. Imagine we try taxes when you know fufu so I say you lose appetite. And the busa for money now moye. Ubeto ade no. Ubeto ade na. They will not bring the risk. They will not bring you the bill at once. Omo tresa na omo say we di biane no halfway. No mu the bill number. Because omu the bar from the very beginning you lose appetite and omu the dane bar now mu train now mu tete ho now mu share sa ultimi di half wo humpe now mu the aba now mu the bill number afri na we taxes upon taxes no enti aba papa and crofoni say aba no ebi ni e fufuo udi fufuo a wetua COVID levy of fufuo so tourism levy wetua fufuo so fufu mponi na jollof se fufu timi tua COVID levy wo so a ene jollof be tua den wan hwe na ko tua bibi wo hepatitis B e wo jollof so jomama aban no yo jomama kwen aban no ebi ni o enti I'm just telling you say proving to say we are still paying COVID levy, we are paying tourism levy. Me tourism levy manti bida. I never heard anything called tourism levy. Never ever heard anything like that. Tourism levy. Debbie. I never heard anything like that. Tourism levy. I'm so free even. We so free. Man attention no. Wait there. Omuji second say man no. Attention. Tourism levy. And if for the just say koto ba na ya wo few and ya worry and there. Ya jejeje. Because the only way not to pay COVID or fufu is to go and buy the banchi yourself and come a pound in the house. We have mistakes all called restaurant there. Your mama beji COVID levy also. We have mistakes all called fufu. You have insurance. Fufu already. Now we yemo John Mahama or GFN saying and health insurance was 5%. Mahama is the whole no. The whole has become 15% VAT on fufu. Wa uyemo fufu obedi wa odi usika be 30 ro no jama ama oji NHIS woso e insurance e woso and they say fufu a ye di Ghana no e say insure fufu no insured fufu no that's been insured by Jomahama insurance paid for fufu. It was a no screen no. And in Pamucho, what person call the Jolubiano? Don't go there and go and buy jollof. Say fufu who taxes near and they imagine jollof. Me first and last no. They say the metal banchi no. Metal banchi. Banchi you can make farm. I'll go to a farm and go and buy the banchi. Because I cannot be monkey no feed the work with bamboo go the chop. No. So John Mahama, Qnet are buying no, the whole are buying no, Quen are buying no. And only Miss Abba is laughing. Yes, so please. Miss Abba by the way sells very good coconut. And I'm imagine coconut very soon they will start putting COVID levy on coconut too. And Miss Abba, coconut no so much you COVID levy. And now the coconut is also insured. Oh, Adeng. I buy crown and Nepal kotuama every day now, one thing after the other. For this is what I experienced when the son of the charcoal seller wanted to live a rich man son's life small. And that was my first and last. Seme sanko for restaurant B. Akodi fufu die empare me. Me ameto bancheno. Yo. Hey, let's see banchi ba coconut baku here 8 series see. Ewuradi boy o, Ewuradi boy. Hey. One coconut 8 Ghana cedis. Say we are gradually getting to Fifi. What's his name? Oh, Papa now called Brazil 2014 now. So coconut baku here $35 or so. No. Oh, how about forgetting his name? A free ankra. A free ankra. Hey, Zuam Kasa. Uya mizu. Pachamu jimus miji sumalmie. Tata pisa uya miza. Uya mizu. Hey. Uya mizu. Oh, there are rivers. Azae. Uya mizu. Neck pressing says that coconut is 8 cedis at Osu. That one crash small ones. And big one is 10 cedis. Hey. Hey. Uya mizu. Uya miza. Uya mizuzu. Zuzu. Hey, bushamfo. Asembini. Coconut is 8 cedis. Small one. Big one 10 cedis. Eh, Charlie, Mr. We have to increase your own. Because we're there. Coconut 8 cedis, 10 cedis. Just a coconut who you COVID was. Now I'm got tourism also. Now NHIS insured coconut. Hey, bushamfo. Assemble crane. I buy be sent na yetu nyum say obinya nim you say Diana miss one obinya nim you kwadi fufu na eji tax. When you na ye papa daddy lumba on pe aban fu bi sent na on pe na or so or shwa him. Aban fu bi say there. Kwadi fufu na eji tax. It is well ebusianfo. Let's go to our major topic. Boku. For Boku, I will allow you to talk. So send your request. Let me pick you. For Boku, I will allow you to do the talking. Because se mi kokasa. Michi enyumrewe na se michi no. Enkoye. Enti me pesa mi kasa. Honorable says that they said the D levy. D levy niti na coconut ako cedis. Ewuradi boy. One watermelon is 110 cedis in Ayensuo. Hey! Watermelon. You skin care no. Udi na skin air fresh no. Say baku ye 110 cedis. Oh. Adenya, I was on for the moody agro na. I say serious. Watermelon ye 110 cedis. Oh, debi. Ibi agro na moody. Hey, Mr. say it used to, but now it is in this season. Oh, okay. So, but watermelon was sold 110 cedis. Oh, watermelon.